Good morning, students. Today, let us start KCET questions. And first question is, let R be the set of points inside a rectangle of sides A and B. AB greater than 1 with two sides along the positive directions of x-axis and y-axis. Then we need to check the four options which is correct. So given a rectangle, let us take the rectangle as ABCD. Okay, and the point should be inside the rectangle. So PXY be the point which is inside the rectangle. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, so this point P is inside the rectangle ABCD. Given this distance is A and this distance is B and this point is 0, 0. See this point PXY. See its x coordinate will be this distance and its y coordinate will be this distance. Okay, clearly this distance is more than 0 and less than A, and this distance is more than 0 and less than B. Therefore, therefore the x coordinate 0 less than x less than A. Similarly, y coordinate is 0 less than y less than B. Okay, see the option. See the option. So the first option is xy 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to A. X cannot be 0 because if it is here then only it will be 0. So you can discard this option. Similarly, here also 0 less than or equal to x. X cannot be 0. You can discard this one also. The same way you can discard this one also. But the last option r is equal to x comma y 0 less than x less than a 0 less than y less than b. This is correct option. So the final answer is r is equal to x comma y 0 less than x less than a and 0 less than y less than b. Okay, thank you. Let's consider the next question in the next class. Hi students, today let us take this question, KCT level question. Let T be, let T be the set of all triangles T be set of all triangles in the Euclidean plane and let relation R on T be defined as A or B if A is congruent to B for all AB belongs to T, then R is, see the options, A, reflexive but not transitive, B, transitive but not symmetric, C, equivalence relation, D, none of this. So let us take two triangles, ABC and DEF. Let's take two triangles, ABC and DEF. Since all the angles and all the sides of ABC are equal to all the sides and all the angles of ABC. So triangle ABC is congruent to itself. Okay. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC itself. This implies this implies the relation R is reflexive. You know what is reflexive relation? Reflexive means for all A belongs to A, AA belongs to R. See here, this is A. So AA belongs to R, therefore R is reflexive. Next, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. That means angles and sides of ABC are equal to corresponding angles of triangle DEF. So if you take ulta, triangle DEF is congruent to triangle ABC, because if angles of ABC and sides of ABC are equal to sides of DEF and also angles of DEF, then the reverse case also should be true. This implies R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Okay. Next. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF and triangle DEF be congruent to triangle PQR. Let me take the other triangle as PQR. Other triangle as PQR. So since triangle triangle